Some people walk into a room, and within 5 minutes, everyone likes them. It looks like magic. Charisma you're either born with or you're not. It's not. It's a set of moves, and once you see them, you can't unsee them. By the end of this video, you'll have them. But first, the one idea everything is built on. Because if you get this wrong, every trick falls apart. People do not decide whether they like you based on how impressive you are. They decide based on how they feel about themselves when they're around you. That's the whole game. Nobody remembers what you said. They remember how you made them feel. So the goal was never to be interesting. It's to make them feel interesting. Okay, the moves. Move 1. Stop performing. Start asking. Most people, when they meet someone, try to be impressive. They talk about themselves. Flip it. Ask questions and actually listen. Talking about yourself lights up the same part of the brain as food and money. It literally feels good. So let them feel good. Be interested, not interesting. Move 2. Use their name. A person's own name is, to them, the best sound in any language. Drop it into the conversation. That's a great point, Sarah. It makes them feel seen and it costs you nothing. Move 3. This one's backwards, so stay with me. You'd think doing someone a favor makes them like you, but the opposite is stronger. Asking them for a small favor makes them like you more. It's called the Ben Franklin effect. Their brain quietly reasons, I did something nice for this person, so I must like them. Ask to borrow a pen. Ask for a quick bit of advice. It works. Move 4. Match their energy. If they're calm and quiet, don't come in loud. If they're excited, meet them there. Subtly match their pace and their tone. We trust people who feel like us. Don't mimic them, just tune to their frequency. Move 5. Remember the small things. Next time you see them, bring up the thing they mentioned last time, their dog, the trip they were nervous about. Nothing on earth says you matter to me like remembering a detail they didn't expect you to keep. And move 6, the one nobody expects. Show a small flaw. People who seem perfect are hard to like. They make everyone else feel small. Admit you're bad at something. Spill a little. A tiny, harmless imperfection makes you human. And human is safe. Psychologists call it the pratfall effect. Now here's the part I have to be honest about. All of this works, which means all of this can be faked. And if you use it as a costume, asking questions you don't care about, saying names like a salesman, people eventually feel it. It curdles. There is nothing less likable than someone performing likability. Because here's the secret under the secret. The people everyone genuinely loves aren't running these moves. They just actually find other people interesting. They're not performing warmth. They have it. So the real trick to being liked is almost a joke. It's to stop trying to be liked. Stop managing how you come across and get genuinely curious about the person in front of you. Do that, and every move on this list happens by itself. So this week, try the smallest version. Next time you meet someone, don't try to impress them. Ask one real question and actually listen to the answer. You might find that being liked was never about you at all. Think about it, and I'll see you in the next one.